Today we're doing the GLM Purple Editing Book for Q&A, Practice 19, page 63. Before we begin, please edit this error. Okay, this word should be heading, not headed. Okay, let's continue. The first and the last lines are correct, so let's tick the first and the last line to indicate that they are correct. Find 10 grammatical errors. Next, scan the passage to find out what is the dominant tense. What are you looking out for? You are looking for the verbs such as love, okay, verbs. This is, okay, have shown, okay, get, is, these are all verbs. So what is the dominant tense that you spot in these verbs? Present tense. Okay, great. So you just write present tense. Okay. And what is it that you notice about this genre of the passage? Okay, the genre of the passage is a factual passage. Okay, you're right. So let's start to spot the 10 grammatical errors. Do mosquitoes love you but leave your friends alone? This could be why. Some believe that a selective diet, such as eating more garlic, taking vitamin B supplements. Okay, so I noticed that in this line, some, okay, this is a noun. After that, this belief is a noun. It should be a verb. Okay, this is also a noun, but it's wrong. Okay, it should be a verb. So how do you use what is the verb form of believe? B-E-L-I-E-V-E. So that is the verb form of it. Let's continue. A selective diet such as eating, okay, correct. Taking, correct. And this one, adopt. This is not adopting. Okay. A vegetarian diet or drinking. Okay. Apple cider vinegar can help. So you notice that this is in parallel structure. Everything is ending with ing, and this is not ending with ing. So the ing is also known as continuous tense of the verb because it indicates an action that is in progress. So adopting, A-D-O-P-T. ing, so that's continuous tense. Okay, suggesting that something is happening in progress. Okay. Selective. What does selective means? Selective means intentionally choosing. Intentionally choosing some things and not others. Okay, let's continue. According to medical entomologists. So what is entomologist? Entomologist is a person who study insects. Okay. Oh, before that, forgot to say what are supplements. Supplement means something extra. So taking vitamin B supplements means taking extra vitamin pills. Okay. This is more folklore than fact. Okay, so it's a myth. Okay. So this more. This is not then. Okay. How do you spell then? T-H-A-N. Okay. Then. Okay. So this is to make comparison. Okay. It's a linking word to make comparison. Comparative word. Okay. Maybe I wrote comparative here. Okay. Research have shown that pregnancy, drinking beer, and having type O blood can make you a most attractive target for mosquitoes. So I notice here most. This should not be a. This should be the. Okay. Here, research. Okay, has shown. Okay, this is one. So research has shown. Okay, so let me continue that. it should be research has shown. Okay, so this is because of singular verb form, and this, okay, should be the, because it's the most, not a most. Okay, because this is sorry, not the, inaccurate. Okay, not the, compared, the most, or is it a most? Okay, the most, or is it a more attractive? Here, I would say, okay, sorry, eraser here. Is the answer the most, or is it a most, a more? Okay, should be a more if let's say it's comparative. So if let's say you okay, how would I explain it? Okay, here there are two comparative states. Okay, two possible states. Your attractiveness to a mosquito. If, okay, this is one possible one. This, a more attractive target for mosquitoes. Okay, and another one is another comparative state. If you are not pregnant, if you do not drink beer, if you do not have type O blood, you will not be attractive to the mosquitoes. So there's these two two things that are being compared here. Okay, there are two things that are being compared here. All right, let's continue. The one thing that will get swarms of bloodsucker heading your way is simply sweat laced with lactic acid. So here I noticed that there's swarm, okay, and since there's swarm, this should be in plural form. Okay, plural form, so that would be bloodsuckers, because of the word swarm. In fact, even if it's singular swarm, it should be plural noun. Okay, because a collective. This is a collective noun, which is produced when exercising, while progress is made on research. So here we are talking about research, so it should not be on. Okay, it should be in research. Okay, in a field of study. Okay, made in research on identifying which scents attract mosquitoes and which one repel them. So this is plural form. Then this will be in plural form as well. Okay, do you see that this is actually correct, because this is plural subject, plural verb, plural subject, plural verb. So if this is plural verb, this must be a plural subject. One must be a plural subject. So that should be once. Okay, another clue is the word repel. Let's continue. It's complicated by the fact that different types of mosquitoes like different scents. So here is is inaccurate because we are talking about different. Okay, so when they are different, it means more than one. More than one, so that means different types. Plural. Okay, subject. Okay, maybe I should plural noun. Plural noun because of the word different. Okay, let's continue. Malaria-carrying mosquitoes tend to be attracted to smelly feet, as dengue fever. This should not be as, okay, as a conjunction. It should be while, because in the context of the passage, while is used to indicate a contrast between the two clauses that it joins. Okay, while dengue fever carrying mosquitoes like the whiff of a workout sweat laced with lactic acid. So whiff means a slight smell carried on the current of air. So we're comparing two things here. That is why it is while. Okay, so this is a conjunction. Okay, that for contrast. Not as is for because, like reasoning. Okay, it's for more for reasoning. As I am tired, I went to sleep. Okay, that's for reasoning. Okay.